Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve this look here. It includes 3 of my favorite things, which would be rainbows, pastel colors, and glitter, of course. I feel like I haven't done a pastel look on my channel yet, so I thought this would be the perfect time to do so, considering it is technically spring. So if you want to see how I achieve this spring-inspired pastel rainbow look, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm starting off using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, putting that all over my lid, all the way from lash line up to brow bone. Then I'm going into my Morphe 35B palette and taking this cool tone purple here and working that in the front half of my crease and building up the color to the intensity that I want. And then I went into the Sigma Creme de Couture palette and I started using Blueberry Cream, but it was pulling super ashy on me, so I went on top of it with this blue shade from, again, the Morphe 35B palette. And then I just kept layering the colors and building it to the intensity that I wanted, making sure that where the 2 colors meet, that it was blended nice and seamlessly. Alright, then going again into the Creme de Couture palette, I took the shade Creme de Menthe and put I think I said it right, I don't know. Put it on the, kind of angled it down to the outer corner of my eye. And then to deepen it up on my lid area, I went again into the Morphe palette. Okay, then along the edge, I'm going to take Redberry Rose from the Creme de Couture palette to give us a pop of pink. Alright, then on the lid, I took Meyer Lemon and then put that on the remaining part of the lid that was still naked. So the first like 2/3 of the eyelid. Alright, then I put on some glitter glue and I placed this glitter from Stalk'R Minerals in the shade Shattered Opal. I love, love, love their glitters. They're my favorites of the ones I've tried so far. Alright, then continuing to bring the color down, I used the green shade from the Morphe 35B palette, the nice minty green color, and then just softened it and brought it to the inner corner using the Creme de Menthe. And then popped a little bit of the Meyer Lemon in my inner corner for an inner corner highlight. Alright, then do my complexion brows, added some lashes. I'm taking the Sigma Redberry Rose and using that as my little side eye blush and just popping the remainder on my nose. And then I took this AOA Dewy Skin Highlighter and put that on my cheeks as my highlight. And then I used another one, a Velour highlight in the shade Circus, and pop that on top for, that one's a little more like chunky, like glitter, so I did that. And then again, using Redberry Rose, I kind of just diffuse it on my lips using a fluffy blending brush. And then concentrated a little bit more of the color in the center of my lips to give me kind of like that popsicle lip effect. And then I topped it with this AOA Diamond Gloss in the shade Glacier. And then I wanted my pink to pop a little more, so I just built that color up. And that is the finished look. Alrighty, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this pastel-filled tutorial. I had a grand old time creating it. Definitely one of the favorite looks that I've done thus far. If you guys enjoyed it, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be sure to list all the products and brushes, all that good stuff down below. Feel free to say hi in the comment section. Also, let me know what your favorite color is. Yes, let me know what your favorite color is. My favorite color is pretty much anything in the blue turquoise family. So like cerulean is one that I love, turquoise, teal, stuff like that. So yeah, let me know what your favorite color is down below. Also, let me know what your favorite color to wear is as far as like makeup down below. Yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. Again, thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. I greatly appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. Oh wait, that's not the outro. Alright, that's all that I have for you guys today. I will see you next time. Bye.